fashion is not just a clothing; it is a visual language that that we can carry out from our dresses or from our language or from our food habits or anything. Yeah, I understand that in this what to say in this 21st century, all the fashions and everything of the world we are copying everything Western wear and anything, but especially on some special occasion we should promote our cultural dresses. In this way we can promote our cultural identity among the youths.
Tripura society o khainai alada rokom sing society ni mokal buskango visually sing omai kaisa presentation khaike mili sam khainai jeta suru Tiprasa ya one srong ni mokal lo kabang borok attract kho sabuno inspire kha ke o jaga ni bisas khaising o meaning collection khaike subject collection khaike sini Tripura history heritage art and culture no tuina sing obono presentation khaike kaisa dress o khaine.
Seeing our design on the stage and realizing that it is not just a costume, but it is the story of our people being told to the world.
Correct.
That part is really rewarding and it was priceless. And I was so happy and proud of our this one state and our people. That makes me so happy.
Kaisa movie ni theke sang mo inspire ngo omai project khane phamane mohen judaro ajaga khaine jeta tu he ni kaisa music tong ajaga ni gano khaine actress himi phayo rani sajoge rajkumari sajoge inge ajaga khaine bo phaimani omai ki himi phaimani je dress no kani chumoe abo ang inspire ka
Khulumbai kya no haino lamsuk piro ani Kothok podcast ni katal episode so Aw, tini norong ngayon thang tonggo 61st episodes. Tini sini episodes ni je naurai mo tomungkha, borokungkha. Sini Madam Esther Laldiki, tei sini angfayung Rohit Debbarma. Aw, borok khorong na ingkha je recently Miss Universe India je sini Tripura no represent khanai sini bukhukjuk Khumjar Debbarma ni je national costume no je design khainai. Je design khaimani ukologo je borok tongnai rok je yapai norok je nungmani abo borok ni no gasung tini sina episode so sang aboni tini kok salainai tai bongni je borok journey nakha je borok je field tongu bongni je passion aborong ni tisang tini saiman lainai gang nong no koinai norok paithak jora o episode by krengi tongdi gang te asle rewoi. Let's start our podcast. Pula lang sabo sin ma'am Esther tai sin takuk Rohit no norok khor ni no hambai and podcast of bagai hambai. So how are you, ma'am?
Hi, hello, I'm fine. Thank you for having us here in your podcast. Thank you very much for having the opportunity.
Welcome, ma'am. Rohit bhai tawna.
Dara kaham na tongo ke tabuk college po pai drop ke samung khaikya engke ko nang ring kha engke ko mai ke samung ni thik no nang bai ma lai ke kereng lai kha kaham na tongo hai bele kaham nang kha o podcast so ni je samung environment khai rong nang no gunyai onek interest na kha umai ta
Hambai. So I'll start with ma'am. So ma'am, could you please introduce to our audience?
Yes, hello everyone. I am Esther Laldiki. I am a fashion designer. I'm from Zampui Hill, Wangmun Zampui Hill, not Tripura, but I'm permanently residing here in Agartala, Khakchang complex.
Sini Rohit, kaya saya kenal kan?
Ani mung to Rohit Debbarma, engke ani kami to jeranya tai khumulung nigan ono yang jeranya bi somponogon kesara kolyan thakur para, engke ani ta kisa kami to ozon larima gulagati, engke ang tongo kolyan thakur para ono jeranya gan ono, engke ang tabo jefra ang feel of payment bore tang ago tolawon tongo college art college nang student gang just art college complete in drop ke 2 months sengkha ke tabu iko samurong khayo art ni painting sculpture omo hairokta.
So my next question will be, ma'am, to you. Like, I would like to know regarding your creative journey, the thing which you are doing now. You're in fashion design now. So could you please elaborate about like how it has started and how you end up yourself in this profession?
Yes. Actually, fashion designing is my passion. From childhood, I have been having such a great interest in making dresses. I don't have any particular degree or any fashion degree, but it is from my own
Creativity.
Yeah, from my own creativity and from my experience that I'm becoming my position today. So from my actually from my childhood, I used to make dresses for my dolls and for my friends and every after I graduated from Government Aizawl College. I started making dresses regularly for myself and for my friends. And after that, after I got married, I take up this profession as my career. Since everybody likes my dresses, everybody likes my creation, so I think this is the line which I have to go. So I make the dresses then from on 2018 I started the brand Infini. So I have a brand there in Agartala, a showroom inside the town, and a workshop in Nandanagar Khakchang complex. This is my journey of in this career.
Ma'am, very inspirational. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Rohit nang sanay nang nini creative journey ni sana kaya sai khanarti.
Ang to o journey nang sarain sim khai fikya ang 2019 ni simi ang porikha Kolabagan Tripura Public School jeta Sompongnagar Gana.
Okay.
Ke jaranya bi Sompongnagar ni Gana ekdom Asamagotola main road Gana wa engke abon porewo ang 1:5 jora porikha jagao abon pore ang yakili porimon porewo 10 jora thangka ang Agutala jeta o samungno teinai tebo practice khanyani bagai kabama senior artist tongo engke borobai ang samung practice khanyani bagai engke ang abon porewo 2020 o ang admission nga art college o engke
Agartala da.
Agutala wo engke Agutala Government College of Art and Craft engke a diploma ni simi ang tesa thauka ang bachelor khanya nai a same college no painting department no khayang bachelor khage 4 years ni engke tabu iko just 5 drop 2 months engka engke tabuk ti ko o samrong no ani to kono boundary grei artist ni kono boundary grei engke o samrong khaynya tongo engke ang jeta college of practice khayo ang a jaga ni just reference suggestion no tino ang o samno iko khayo tamke mane khaite tebo tamo ang creative tebo tup nani artist means creative ke o creative ni samno teinyai tebo bahike tebo sorsar khaimono ke state ang ton ani sudu travel area o simia state level Thansa Tiprasa engthang bron ni
nang tagi famous to painting khaibro popular no nana to bia pun sinu pila
painting bakena
nang tam samong khai tong khe
ang sculpture jeta murti sanamone mangthong sanamone kabangma narrative stories kabangma personal ane feelings emotions no tine sculpture sanamo painting sanamo basically ang painting department ni student bachelor khaikya mo bai ang abo bachelor complete khaikya ke abo painting ang bachelor complete khaimani ya gulo bang nogo bising ang agin simnang khayo unofficial sculpture ni sam khayo public satisfied ni sam khayo jeta o earning ni bagai income ni bagai ma khayo abo sculpture jeta mangthong sanam abo kono niji ni satisfied dia public satisfied painting kan ni jini satisfy jeta ni
Impression ta okay.
Aba ni personal feelings emotions not nya painting sanamo abono ang khaimon pore exhibition khaya paijaga tamke art no rangni bagi khaya
Okay.
boi saja kha boi sikangke boi paitala khangtang kono aboni kono kokri abai
Melekanta. Now, ma'am, question to both of you.
Okay.
I would like to know the process, how you collaborate together for designing the costume for our Miss Universe contestant Khumjar. So I would like to know regarding that one. Like, what was the journey like? Like how you together came?
Journey by khaya onek by Esther khaya bo Khumjani kubama bini national costume ni samna bo romde kabangma bo design sanamka bo abono karenyai boniji bo subka nke amo bini design na jeta Khumjani Instagram rogon okhanke almost kisu
Mane baike no rogo samung khaile ke ba process
samung khaiman ingkang baino cinema nike sinigasa talent management company tongo
Okay.
I casting management abong ka kaisa fashion model rongni talent management company
Okay.
inke abon malik inke chini darano Gutom Das bo Assamese
Okay.
inke ang o dara ni theke no anero samung offer phaike jeta national costume ni samung khanya ni nangnai
Okay.
inke khanya thangtine onekta meeting discuss khanya thangtine ang ba Esther by malikya non nanoboro bini Kaksan complex Infini bini brand engke aponi samung khanya thangtine bo by malai lekya kereng lekya engke onekta discuss khlai lekya engke mai ke kereng lekya bro bai ke aponi tei kok omhaita ke design ke tabuk rong de national costume Khumjani je design ke design aba ang na khayo engke project aniro phaimani engke bani ke to costume sara onyo samung
Okay.
jeta kabama bina jaga bo presentation khaiman kabama ri ajaga bini botongo bo design khayo bono subo ke Khumjani national costume jeta social media khaine o modyo
Thansa the concept.
Thansa concept nanya jeta social media kabangma awa ingja abo ni je design concept ko abo ani no project aniro phaikya
Okay.
pulia draw khaikya sketch khainai abo no digital art khayuka 2 dimension abon pore bono phunuka symbol bono idea ni bagai engabon pore confirm amon pore ang sam start khaikya ani logi taimasa tongo ani college ni junior Rupantor Das Udaipur ni bo ani team members ke bo bai milinya sang pulia samung jani khlailekya go samung mainly oba ani theke nang mane ke baini samung ko jago jeta burero ni jeta ri sup mane
No buy ke paisa sita.
oba
Like
hairata
ma'am, like Rohit, he has spoken about his portion.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
Kindly tell us about your
Yes,
part in that project.
the journey of making the national costume. Yes, like he said, we have been introduced from that management, and yeah, we have been discussing about the designs, how to make and how to we used to draw up the designs, and again we used to change again. If we do this part again like this 2-3 times, we have changed the designs
Okay.
also. And after that we came up to the final. Then the dress part, the tops and the bottoms was stitched by me, and the flaps was designed by Rohit, and the crown and the
Goria,
and the
Lord Goria.
Lord Goria also was
Okay,
designed
the
by
one which she was
yes,
holding.
the one
Yeah.
she was holding that one.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Then in the finishing part, we all help each other. Rohit also he came and he asked to help in the finishing, we want to make it a complement to each other, all the items, the
Correct.
crown, the flaps, the dresses, the ornaments, everything, so that it will be in a single piece, so that it will create the it will bring out the cultural identity.
Correct.
So we have the same goal. We shared the same dream about that. So everything was going smoothly. Yeah, it was very nice working with him. He's very
And ma'am,
creative.
actually, I was really fascinated because
Yes.
the way you have captured the message of Thansa
Yes,
through
yes.
design and symbolism.
Yes, yes.
Like it's commendable, I guess.
Yeah,
So
that
like
was his idea.
The idea of Thansa,
yes.
the idea of Thansa was like it came like from somewhere else, like from where you got that inspiration.
Yeah, inspiration is from Rohit.
Okay, okay.
The spirit of this one,
Thansa.
Thansa.
Okay.
Yes. Actually, I was very happy when he brought out the this one, that Thansa, because it really affects the people. That the theme of that costume.
Correct.
So we were so happy, and as a designer, we are very glad that people liked our design, and we are very proud of ourselves also.
Correct. Really, like I have seen the motifs also. Like there are some figures also in that design, I guess.
Yes, in the design, in the flaps, there are the figurines of all the tribes of Tripura, the
Okay.
indigenous tribes of Tripura, and our national bird, our national
Okay.
fruit, every
Not national, this is
yes.
states but
State bird, yes,
yeah.
the
Okay,
state
okay,
bird,
okay,
the
okay.
state fruit, correct.
and handicrafts,
And the
bamboo,
handicrafts, handlooms.
and pineapple.
Yes, that the state fruit,
Okay,
no,
okay.
pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple.
Yes.
And so many here.
Yes,
And I think it has resonated with the people also. Like
yes.
they really like, I think, the
Yeah,
design.
yeah.
And it's quite new, unique also. Like
It's unique, yes. I think it is the first
Yeah,
time
correct,
Tripura has showcased
Correct.
the state costume. We can say, into the national level and in the global platform also. We can.
and for that,
say,
I would like to say thank you also to both of you.
Thank you.
Like the way you have represented our state, like it was represented in a true spirit. So for
Thank
that,
you
thank
so
you.
much.
Gang ta Rohit na senai.
Darasali.
Ko tabo or design no karibo nang painting ro kayo.
Ang painting
Gang
kayo.
ke nang painting haparo plus tak sculpture rogo nang tam mo struggle of face kai. Abo sangke sai kananada.
Struggle angkane onyorogam jeta society ni borok jeta struggle kayo. Opon islay kisa onyorogam onek borok unjak mono.
Baik ya bu.
Jeta buije jora thuo ajorang struggle kayo.
Okay.
Ke buije jora basawa aprang thu kokaisi. Salo ang buibe meeting kayo kok sawo discuss kayo samoni teinyai phone by tai physically malai engke onekta materials arrange kayo engke horongke ang samkhanya bagi ang asugo jeta ni studio agutalawa
Okay, okay.
engke ang
Mana nang silent environment nang utana.
silence environment nango tagisa engke sini samungbo silence no jemon rusapne rokai kaisa audio tai DJ rokai hodom dodom to krei engke sini samung onek silence engke struggle lengkha joto din success me asa umsudin struggle khane dorkanangke saya ka saya thuya dorkanangke beram abotei tai mai tulu sai phono khainai kokkaisi tamke art ni samung khanya thangke kuno luxury lifestyle samung humung nangya bukhani kaisa musumani tongangke khaimon just khaimia kare kokkaisi tine romde kabama successful artist tongo dunia kebo ke business khai kebo keba romde sabai musawoi inke borok society ni borok bini bo mokol tongo bukung tongo bukuk tongo ke ani mokol tongo bukung ni bukung tongo ke anto society ni bairan borok ya bobo society ni borok ang bo society ni borok ani bo mokol bukung tongo bin bo tongo bo manang tangi mayang naiba awas challenge tongo bahut tam kani kisa time nangi phon thangmono karon ang to undeveloped area ni ang o samuna tunya thangmani Taisa bunyi hai.
Mana especially of field kisa untapped do. Mana asa bui cherry. Like sculpture, like in our culture, we never had anybody who have ever like like who are busy in sculpture.
Yes.
Like our society, I don't think we have never
I
seen
don't think
somebody.
this is the first time
He's the first,
I
I
met
guess.
in a person who is a sculptor.
Basically, ang sarani simino ang musumake unique feel.
Okay.
Tini doctor engineer bahut ke sini state of Thansa Tiprasa thang tamo nini advocate but tabu bangragi tongo bahut. Ke ang nayo jeta art feel thangani. Inga art obo tini resapne musane bahut tongo. जे फिल बरक गोबां आरो चेलेन्ज गोबां नाय आंगा आरो सक्सेस मानाबा बहुत कठिन नाय आं कैसे यूनिक बरक यूनिक फिल थाना मुसमानी जेता बुइ खायाको असामुना खाने हेको फिल बरक टंग नासि निस्टेट बहुत टंग मानो कारण कम फिल चेलेन्ज कम इनके आनी फैमिली ओ जतन डॉक्टर टंग इंजिनियर सबसे गोबां ani amani planning to en aitio ana engineer pori na musumani agio ang engineer tamang tabo saimi ang oecho ang engineer ni samung tamo ang saimanya taphono ke ang thangko philo karon art no ang ungna musungo ne artist ngi manya ang tini ang doctor ang namusung khang tini rang khoros khaikya ang kaham ke porikha ang seriously ke porikha ke na ang doctor ngi thangmono इंके खाटो खान क्या बोले सक्सेस माने मानो कारण आर्टिस्ट ना था के बिन मेंटालिटी बिन वन समों बिन इंटरेस्ट टोटली आलादा इमोशंस टोना ने नांगनाय बहुत इनको मोटो गॉड गिफ्टेड ऑलरेडी अब आंना हमनी बेबिया आन ऑलरेडी भगवान सनम रका जेता मा हायो फील नों थांनाय आं फील नि सारां कुन साइबे माया मा मान्या जेता के अमो बाइकनो दिनै खायने चाव नंगे वा साखाव बासी टंग टंगला तापसो जपते
very kind of then my question will be to ma'am as we know the field of fashion is quite competitive these days so I would like to ask the same question to you what are the challenges which you have faced or which you are facing still could you please elaborate and how you are trying to overcome those challenges
Yes, fashion designing is a very what to say it's very challenging
yes.
yeah because designs fashions trends is changing every day and there are so many people who are means like talented people are also coming up every day in our field and so it is really a hard working process I have to be alert and be on the trends every time. And in regarding this fashion, I mean the national costume, let me just point out one challenging part here. It is a national costume and it is the first time I am doing in my this one in my project. So it was very challenging for me. Balancing the traditional motifs with the modern aesthetics is very challenging and it is a very delicate matter also but it is not just simply to cut the slapping the ancestral pattern and fused or put on the contemporary garment it is it is what to say I have to replicate that traditional idea the traditional value in a modern dress let's say in a modern costume so I have to bind the two together to make it into a new in a new dress or a new garments without losing the cultural roots. So I just find it very difficult on that, but I think I pulled it up.
Perfectly well.
Yeah, I pulled it up to its great extent.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Yes.
Ngatang Rohit na sinay.
Darasa.
Ngatang ni sanam song ninyo samungo. Nang society, especially in parents. Bong support of the mangka.
Parents ni support both.
Okay.
Dine parents ni support tongnya asal joroti khai tongmano.
Okay.
Ani babo ang bai baksa hopung sapung katugo.
Okay.
Agutalaw ang je jaga samung khayo sung duijon milino commercial longni samung thang
Jeta commercial ke bawah hero ka.
commercial karom de tine keboni keba kabama emotion borok rongno teinai sculpture sanamo portrait sanamo murti sanamo ni
Okay.
ba kebo Tripura ni kabama iconic borok rongni
Okay,
taborom de statue Maharaja Bir Bikram rongni ro inga obo hai samurok ang ani bawa yang khayo engke babu ta artist ya babu engke management ni samung khayo
Okay.
ani personal management ni samung engke joto materials arrange khanyani thega suro khainai jeta no help khaimani jaga suro khainai sung hopung gelang sabo ailayo wa jora jora hodipor honi duta tinta charta ro botam layo ioma ikeno sung babu ikene o samung khayo engke tamke babu to sob সময় tingyo samungo na bana yo samungo sob সময় ang saisunglang daily no hopungla alai ani kok obono jeta joto din success me asa eto din thuya sa oi pogoi thangnai tamkang maisamo bo ne kom
Awat saya ni health.
tamke maisamo ni kom mane karon tho jeta belaisa kangke selana sela kangke kam khaimiang nai lon danai bukham khanai wa khai soring thangnai inga kono samung tai khaimiang thangnai ingke jeta ang tine 100% sam khaima mon jaga ang seloni thuk thonamo songa thuipai gana ni thuka ingke omote kamun ya ingke ani bukhato yogi tongtongo serious one emotion kinta ngabono yangani sorike thonamo songsa ingabon boi samon kisa komsa jeta samung khaima nai jeta energy sob somoy tongnai omo haita sele ja
Rohit nang tabu zorotei nang je samung khaimani ni sotong sai memorable bo samung.
memorable
Sculpture.
sculpture ni samung aje murti sanamane tabo Maharaja Bir Bikram ni murti kawani gesa sickness arni khanga
Okay.
aba gesa ne ano boyo raja ni murti tangna jang kumo mang thang tangna jang kumo engke buyana no be sinta ni karon ang je jorowo commercial samung khakya 2019 no afro pulia commercial samunga chini Maharaj produce ana samdu
Okay.
bini thagone Maharaj Bir Bikram ne stesu khakalap jora sanamnani bagai ano project ruta bafru engka abona ni pulia engke amu sanamna na 1.5 bosor nang thanga pulia
Okay. Asa time na ka.
ai time nang thanga hobung sabung chesta kayo engke one ani
Mani thani reference bo kribla na.
afro kere ang sabono no inspire nai ang kuno senior artist bo kere ase komo hai engke Facebook ro basa trending ya ko engke social media basa develop tabun hai engke ko Instagram to apsa se singya ko afur kadal taiteo burisi kala roksmi khla jai afro engke azarawo ang parawo tongo ulan thaguro an kojan thaguro Tiprasa para bisingule one series gere hini mono tapano tabo Tiprasa area to gere hini mono engke azarawo vote kothin ka samuna delivery rakha ang khaika 1 years ni bisi 1.5 bosor nangka tabo engke to ang kathang borongno buskanggo nasik sanamo 20 minutes by
Okay. Mane nin thani o je expertise phaigata. Through experience.
khana ang bot ane jorate ang update khanya ni challenge bahut kotor challenge tongmani kokhaisi 20 minutes by kathang borok no buskango nasigei bin portrait no sanamnani engke oban gaise challenge tongmani engke naji kaise samung khanya ni 1.5 bosor namon jaga ngabono 20 minutes tu bunani jeta o kom age so ani age tab 23 engke kom age so ang tinerom de 2 bosor sekango na ang samuno 20 minutes by ang start khaika jeta portrait no ang tubuka somoy kom ni bisingo jeta borong ni bekhawo jeta borong ni mokolo attract nani moto samung jeta ang samung no teinyai dati khainyai ang kaham khainyai publicity nang presentation khainyani ang delivery renani ang jeta earning khainyani o scope ni je power ang tinin simi 2 years ni simi ang o samung nang o skill quality nang tubuka तामके तापन आं बहुत किसु सोलोंजानाय प्रेक्टिस खायजोंनाय बहुत बाकी दंखो जीवनो बहुत काज खायजोंनाय बाकी दंखो
মানে তাকোনো ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট রুম দं কোতা
यानी जराते अनेक मा दङ इनके अब एकटा क इनके तिने त्रिपुरा हाइजागाव खायनि फेशन मडेल तिने अमाहाय सुंजे खायमाने पेंटिंग स्कल्पचर अबाहाय साम खायनाय अ त्रिपुरा बिलम खायनाने बा टंनानि सानानि ताय अ फिल दंगैनाय आर्निंग खायनाय गथां दंगै बासि थानानि त्रिपुरा हाइजागाव बहुत डिफिकल्ट बहुत कठिन
अपॉर्चुनिटी कम हायदा
opportunity कम तिने रमदे तिने जागा बरं यागो ताबो रां दङ तिने सिनि त्रिपुरानि बर रखनखा रां खरस खायो सामनि नंमनि जागा नखो बिल्डिं न माने सरि अनेक नखो काहाम के तागैसां के कानमाने सममाने तै साकनि मुसुमाने साकनि थंथक जागा खायनो
মানে লাক্সারি ওয়াসং
लाक्जारि वसं रां खरस खायो इनके तिने अमाय आर्टिस्ट बर रंनो बिसनो रां खिबिनाय बा जों रां खरस खायनाय आर्ट न हामजागै अबाहाय बरक गरै के तिने आर्ट न हामजागै रां खरस खायनाय दङ तांखे अब बिनि पर्सनल बेनिफिट खांके सिमी खरस खायो
ओके
इनके जेटा निजिनि इमोशंस फिलिंग्स न तैनाय गोबांमा आर्ट लाबरनाय रां खरस खायनायनि बागै रेडी रां दंफनो खायनि गरै कारण अबनो बहुत डिफिकल्ट अनेक कठिन जागा खाय बिलम खाय दं को खायसि ताबो आं कठिन जागा खायनि आं टं टंगो अतिरिफ्राय जागा खाय साम खाय सावै बासि टं टं लागो तलाबो
like next question is to you ma'am actually like these days especially youth from Tripura they're facing identity crisis so what's your belief or what do you think like how art and fashion how we can help our youths to stay connected to their roots
Okay, I'll give you the answer from the fashion side. Fashion is not just a clothing; it is a visual language that that we can carry out from our dresses, or from our language, or from our food habits, or anything. It can be this one. We can motivate each other by wearing our traditional dresses, wearing our traditional products. In this way, we can identify ourselves, our cultural identity, the youth in this because I understand that in this in this 21st century, all the fashions and everything of the world, we are copying everything Western wear and anything. But especially on some special occasion, we should promote our cultural dresses. In this way, we can promote our cultural identity among the youths.
Nicely put.
Yeah.
Tahu ang Rohit hanya siang na. Tak ang Rohit na question sung na hinga tahu member yang sama kayak mana. Abo bade. Tadi ni kuno project rok tong pipeline no.
Project ke nogani sculpture ni project ayo. Painting ni tuktak. Ang painting no tu yang punya ang korka. Ang painting ni market ang kriket aja.
Ini painting ni Tripura specially. Mir market potential bahai tong.
Kiri ini mana? Karena tabuk tu puja ni season aja.
Tamla tabuk mana ang non kaya koktan tabuk tu seng photo capture kayak mana kamera bahai. Nang painting ke painting mah kaham no. Am bagai jo borok man kisah choose kayak orang mak like painting no.
Painting no sina ni tanggang ke. Oh je.
Moreover painting like if I go a bit like in late 90s 80s. Even during King's period also, painting is considered as a luxury item actually. Like normal layman people, they can afford. Only people who are having high strata, they can afford. So apa hai bagi the impact na society mo?
Taborong de, painting no tabo panyatang ke, tabo society. Jaga ni je society ni boro Tripura high jaga ni society ni boro painting ni somonde interest tona nangai. Pulia ko. Second ka painting ni theory bini je kabama history bini theory bini je sam khaimani no साइमानानि नांनाय नलेज तोना नांनाय एक्सपीरियंस तोनानि नांनाय इनके आबन परे जे viewers वो as the art नि कैसे पेंटिंग ना नाइखेंके बिने आर्ट नि समंदे वो नॉलेज तोनानि नांनाय इनके से वो पेंटिंग ना नाइनी नहीं वो इंटरेस्टिंग मानाय इनके से वो फीलिंग्स मानाय इनका पेंटिंग ना है फाट सा है के नाइखे ओ नाइथोगा मो बाइंगे डीपली के हाबुई नाइया नांनाय
माने पेंटिंग वो कैसे स्टोरी कन्वे खै है
स्टोरी सारा कोनो पेंटिंग इंगे के ओ जगह रमदे गोबांमा नेरेटिव स्टोरी न तिने पेंटिंग न खाइजागो इनके गोबांमा डिजाइन दङ तैबो पेंटिंग खाइजागो जेता कोनो मीनिंगलेस पेंटिंग बटंगो ताबो गरमदे गोबांमा जों पुजाराव खाइनाय दर्गा पुजाराव खाइनाय जों सारि बा सारि रगो फनंथों नंनाय बेंगुलि रने आसो मीनिंग करे बेड कवर रगो नंग दंगो गोबांमा बिनि डिजाइन आरो खै कोन आसो मीनिंग करे बटंगो इनके जियोमेट्री फॉर्म्स रग यूज खाइजा इनके ओ जे आमबो रंदे मीनिंगलेस फनो मीनिंग दंगो हनै मा ना जागा जेता ओ सोसाइटी ओ जागानि जे ओ हासाकनि नेचर रंने रेफरेंस न तैनो डिजाइन न क्रिएट खयो आर्ट इनके जेता आर्टिस्ट रो ओ आर्ट न क्रिएट खयो इनके नाइनै बर रगो अबनि बागै नॉलेज तंनानि नंगो इनके से बो इंस्पायर मानाय इंटरेस्ट मानाय आलादा फीलिंग्स मानाय इनके इमोशंस न बो बुजिनाय खरकसा आर्टिस्ट बो पेंटिंग न टांगि खाइके तमो इमोशंस दं तामो फीलिंग्स न माने बो पेंटिंग खाइके इनके से बो व्यूअर्स नाइ साइमानाय बो नाइनै बो बिनि सम्बन्धे अस आर्ट नि सम्बन्धे बहुत पावरफुल एक्सपीरियंस दरकार थ्योरी साइमानाय दरकार दिनै आं तागेसे कक सावनो दिनै डॉक्टर इंजिनियर एडवोकेट तंगि मानाना बर क्वालिफाइड आं सावो किन्तु बर आर्ट फील्ड तो बर अनक्वालिफाइड आर्ट फील्ड तो बर दिनै सिगितया बर दिनै अन फील्ड नि सिगित मानो के आबन बागै आर्ट नि बागैबो अनेकटा आलादा भाबे जों नाइनि रबो थ्योरी
एमनि आर्ट नि फील्ड तो नों सामनो ना नों सामनो फॉलो खाय
आं फॉलो खाय माने तो आउट ऑफ स्टेट के वेस्टार्न जों तो जत ताबो जों जे सामखायो ओ जे जनरेशन मो जतन ओ जनरेशन नि आर्टिस्ट न हन कंटेम्पोरारी आर्टिस्ट
ओके
के कंटेम्पोरारी
आर्ट डिफरेंस कंटेम्पोरारी बाय
कंटेम्पोरारी आर्टिस्ट का जेता संगागी क्लासिकल आर्ट ताबो रम दे लियोनार्डो डा विंची ताबो रम दे
इटालियन पेंटर
आजागा माइकेल एंजेलो के निने राफेल गोबां वेस्टार्न आर्टिस्ट दङ तिनि सिमि 500 बोसोर गोजाम वेस्टार्न आर्टिस्ट ताबो इटाली रंनि आर्टिस्ट र इनके आजागा रंनि आर्टिस्ट रंनि सामुंके बरटाम स्किल न बर प्रायोरिटी रो जेता बेलु रो बरनि जे पेंटिंग कसम नंनाय राजा रंनि बा जीसस रंनि पेंटिंग रो सनामजाग आ जनरेशन नंनि इनके आ जागा बरमसका रियलिस्टिक खायो जेता बिने ओ डिटेल्स न कोंटमसके बर रमै डिटेल्स खायो फिनिशिंग खायो आ जरो सुटो बर मीडियम मटेरियल्स यूज खायो कैनवास ताई कलर यूज खायो ऑयल कलर इनके दुइटा मीडियम्स बेकन बरक साम खायो बेसिकली विशेष खाय के ताबो कंटेम्पोरारी गोबांमा बन परे गोबांमा फ्रॉम द गोबांमा इजम आर्टिस्ट
गबो तम दालो मिसलो गम खले
ताबो कंटेम्पोरारी आर्टिस्ट के कोनो मटेरियल्स कोनो बाउंड्री करे
ओके
ताबो न मुसुं खांके ओ माइक न फनो न आर्ट सान खिमनो जों पूजा दर्गा पूजा रग जों नु खांके अनेकटा क्रिएटिव आर्ट जेता ओ माने हेनिया गला रमसे आर्ट रखसनजा माइक्रोफोन न फनो ताबो जा खाने बकरं सनामरि रेखा एं बस गंगं मकल कानिरि रेखा गेताबो कैसे एनिमल फॉर्म सुनि थांगा के कोनो माने आर्ट
कोनो डिफाइन करिते
ताबो नि जराव का आर्ट नि कोनो बाउंड्री करे मटेरियल्स नि कोनो बाउंड्री करे माने जेस माने फनो आर्ट ने प्रेजेंटेशन खाइमोनो रेडीमेड मानैया फनो तुबुन्याय आर्ट नि प्रेजेंटेशन खाइमोनो ताम के नि कॉन्सेप्ट थ्योरी बहुत स्ट्रांग ना नांनाय निने पराडिक डेवलप नि बहुत साइंटिफिक सम्बन्धे साइमाना नांनाय इनके कंटेम्पोरारी आर्टिस्ट इनके ओ आगिन जरा इनके जता कैनवास ताई ऑयल कलर बाय पेंटिंग खाइका स्किलफुल पेंटिंग खाइका अपन आर्ट ने रमुन नाजागो अबहाय आमका क्लासिकल ga sungni je generation ke abo contemporary abo hai
Bele Kothok. My next question is to both of you. Like, do you feel both art and fashion is important? It is an important tool to bring social change. So, if yes, like, could you please elaborate how art and fashion could be an important tools in bringing social changes? What's your take, Rohit Sala?
Tini sungmaye bo khoroksa artist bo unke self taught artist tini fashion design bo khoroksa artist bini concept bini je one sumung buji mane je baini bias ni enke bini one sumang ni buji mane bai sung joto kaisa khoroksa kaisa feel ni borong ni mano boka kanma ni sumani no tinya art enke ani enke romde ani kono boundary kre artist ni kono boundary kre
Okay.
Antini tam khaijang no khana tam one sujang no ang khana tam samung bo khaijang na ang saimanya tini bo khana tam bo khaiba dunam bang no sunam bang no ang mo saimanya ke tini sung duita alada art feel ni phano alada department ni borok tai altai tai gaisang ke alada department ni borok miloi khorsa duijon artist mil kaisa samung khai Tripura society wa khainai alada rokom sung society ni mokal buskang bo visually sung omai kaisa presentation khaike mili samung khainai jeta suru Tiprasa ya one srong ni mokal lo kabang borok attract kho samung no inspire angkha ke o jaga ni bishes khai sung meaning collection khaike subject collection khaike sini Tripura history heritage art and culture no tenya sung obno presentation khaike kaisa dress o khaine jeta o jaga bani ke to bini bure roni sup mani jaga wa ke design to bani no ke bai
suma kam te sido mane bai ke social change to be man art by fashion ni through thai aba nang
iko sung national costume fashion model ni through theke sung to bukha jeta o art ni through theke
mane যেমন নং তার art ni je main message to Thansa ke mara ma to kaje abno nugoi sin society o Thansa ni kaise feelings pada phaike
o jaga kuno or what se Kokborok bai phana ro jakana kintu Thansa lo jaga unity sentine o jaga animals tai kubama elements object mane khne wani mane handicrafts rokno teinai borok munchu theka suru khaine o Tripura hawa khai sungjeta belong tai sung thang tong tong engke sung omo bai keno tini onek boshor dore sung omo bai keno tini income khaiba sawi nangoi o Tripura hai hawa khai sung tasi tong tong tini omo hai sin je kanmung sum onek popular aro khaini sung onek tribe ni picture no sung presentation khaikya engke a jaga khaini sini Tripura ni androso sini amo kaisa fruits popular bamboo Tripura ni popular handicrafts popular engke a jaga monokare kebongo dal bidal no sung presentation khaike Tripura hai hawa bo बहुत किसु माने दङ पपुलार माने दिनेव हायम सागा सिनिजा दङ आबनो संदेसे सिन आर्ट नि थ्रु थेके जता तबो फैशन मॉडल नि थ्रु थेके जता तबो बाय साम खाइमनि तै आनि साम खाइमनि न नि लुइने कैसे प्रेजेंटेशन खाइका जता फैशन मॉडल गे आबनो सं नेशनल कॉस्ट्यूम नि ड्रेस सनामै जता मिस यूनिवर्स खाइने तबो खुमजार देबरमा आबनो तैने बो प्रेजेंटेशन खाइका स्टेटमेंट तैने वो स्टेट ना रिप्रेजेंटेशन खाइका हम हाइता ते तिनी सोसाइटी ओ सुदु Tripura हाइ जागा सिमबिया ऑल इंडिया हाइ जागा खाइना कबमा बरक नुगनि अट्रैक्ट खा इंस्पायर खा असम न नगस होइतम त सिन खुनजब अनेक सपना नि कष्टंगा तामके अंगि तंग अनेक जागा न आंगाबो खनाका अनेक जागा खबर बनाका अनि खुनजब फाइका काहाउन रेस्पॉन्स मंगा बजिदा जितिया तामके सामु भोट tai bini presentation no bo buyone kahamung jaga chini samung no bo buyone wanje ingtheng muslim ingtheng manipuri ingtheng joten
mane society ni joto section ni borong no nong fashion bai borok connected
khaiman ka borok jeta jaga mpt ni kaisa shobd tongo jeta kaisa artist ni jeta emotions get feelings na tine omo hake efforts omo hai kaisa ajaga kabangma bini emotions feelings no tini bo samung khaikya presentation khaikya kaisa ado anke mane ajaga khainai singoma ke samung khainai tini sini samung no nugui visual mokol bai nugui nai kabangma borok ni mokol attract kha borok jar jar bkhaw mokol bai nugui ni bkhaw wan sugui nai abono nijini jar jar motor khaino stories sanamai mankha जों तामो फुनुंना नाय जों तामो साना नाय दं हावा आर्टिस्ट बर'राव जेता सिने बिसिं नुना जों बाइक थांगो सानाबो फुनुंगै आबोनो पब्लिक सिटिराव बा बुजि मानखा काहाम के अमा हायता
Sister, your take. Like the question was like, do you believe that both art and fashion it could be an important tools like for bringing social changes in our society?
Yes, I believe that art and fashion has a really great impact on social change. Art can make the people change their ideology, or it can reflect the way they think about the society. And in fashion also, it really impacts in the society. According to me, this fashion, like especially in the dress sense, it really impacts a personal,
Correct.
especially as well as social and a personal
Correct.
life also, because it provides the fashion provides us self what wait okay that
I
part
think
you
it
cut.
gives an identity also.
Yeah,
Like
it gives
if we
us-
see somebody like suppose from Tripura,
Yes,
if he's
yes.
wearing Rishari,
Yes,
we
yes,
can
that is what.
understand
Yeah,
his
that is
Tripuri.
what I was trying to
Yeah,
mean.
yeah, yeah.
It really gives the identity of the person.
Correct.
Suppose if we wear our traditional dress or anything which can reflect that we are a part of that society, so it gives us the identity.
Correct.
And in a social side also,
I think it brings
Now-
unity also to some
yes,
extent.
it brings unity.
Correct.
It brings unity among the people.
True.
Yes.
ke o jaga tagisa kok ang sawana tini o kok no le Tripura ni borok kabangma saimi phonung khana
Okay.
wansa Tiprasa phonung thang tini sini Tripura borok kok no important buriya
Okay. Bokong,
artist roni
okay.
rono jeta romdi bo artist borok musung khangke মানে দেশ ন কাইসা স্টেট ও হানো বড় দুই ভাগ বো খাইমনো বড় 71টা বো খাইমনো
Okay.
এনকে বড় ও জায়গা অশান্তি বো কারিমনো বড় মিলিরি বো খিমনো যেমন তাবো
Powerful tools that are.
এই বো অনেক পাওয়ারফুল ফ্রম দ্য এক্সাম্পল
Okay.
ও কক রকে বো সাইমি আনা হিটলার বো খরকসা পেইন্টার বো খরকসা আর্টিস্ট
Okay.
Okay, bini bo already bo powerful artist bo abon pore politics o thangi nai bo jeta
Bage bo influence kai people no through arts.
ha
Bage bo German song no influence kai no through bini art ni tei.
but abon politics ni through theke se khai ke ne
Okay,
bo
okay.
bono boi sino jeta art ni theke jeta bo bini art ni jeta experience no teni botam khai ke bo kaisa desh bhai ta kaisa desh no ke kaisa boro no nasi manya politics bo ajaga start khai ke bo walai suglai bulai toglai bo khaine buthalai bo kaisa alada bo khai ke bo ekatrota bo khaine ni bini ro power tong ko khaisi
Okay.
ko onekta history kotok history ke artist boro no kaisa state kaisa country no kaisa hano miliri bo khimono boro alada khai bagi bo khimono khagi bo khimono ma omai powerful borok ni mono kintu Tripura to shobdor no o word no kebo
Cherry nahi aata.
cheri nane gre abahai
Cool. Actually, ma'am, the question which I asked because through that Thansa costume, I feel like not only indigenous people, even Bengali, like whole state, they could connect themselves to that motif, that design.
Yes,
Because
yes.
the representation which both of you have tried, there you can see Matabari also.
Yes,
So people
yes.
who believe Hinduism,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
can feel connected to it.
Yes, yes.
And likewise, there are so many things like which is common to most of them actually.
Yeah.
So like I think it helps us in uniting people, society, I guess.
Of course.
So it's quite powerful, I feel. So my next question will be to both of you again. Now it will be a little bit hard questions, but I think it's proper to ask actually. My question is like, especially in the field of art and fashion, I think still it's ignored in our state. So what will be your suggestion, like how government or private institute or any society, how could we promote art and fashion?
There are so many talented people, especially among the young, among the youth, who are creative and talented in this art and fashion. I know there are many people, but as you said, we ignored these arts and the artists like our brother Rohit, who is also very talented here, but he knows what he is doing and he is very interested in what he is doing. So instead of all the hardships, of all the problems, of course he is following his dreams.
Correct.
And he's doing it. But we know that there is no funds, there is no help from the government side or from the state also. We know very well about this thing, like for us, the fashion designer and artists, we are doing on our own.
Okay.
There is no help or anything, funds from the government side also. But if there is any thing from the government side, like from funding or for marketing access or anything which can promote us in this, it will be very helpful, and we will get a lot more from our state who
Correct.
are creative and who are talented people will rise up. I believe in this thing.
Correct. Moreover, I think it will be a source for income also, like employment generation.
This we are doing for a source for income.
Correct.
We are using our profession for our livelihood.
Correct.
We are not depending on the government job or any other institution. We are making it our own.
Correct.
So government also have to give importance
Correct.
on in this field.
Rohit tentang sana.
Obon itinya jeta income source rong mate nyai na ke rom de seng o jaga ne ani kok ngam hai Tripura hai jaga ne society ni boro rong ne mentality ta kitsa art ni phasingo judi knowledge tong khan ke jeta art lover thongi mano ke art no baike hamjang nai baike bono respect ang artist no respect ri efono jeta ni je art no baike respect renai baike value renai bono sung tangi painai o kaise painting tangi support khainai am somonde knowledge tong hanke kaham nai ni mano ke art lover boro judi o samungni somonde ta kitsa o strongly babe judi saima nai na khangke sini income robotaisa tebo strong ngi mano nge tini seng art ni tini seng tini market dong khor khangke sengtam saja ke ani nok tangi tong tongo joto nok tang tong Tiprasa ro sawo nok tang tongo wansar bo sawo nok tang tongo nai engke
man nok tang rang kri haite
nok tang tong rang kri engke awai hai bo ma hai boro no luxury kai bo buri timono bla
okay
engke kanung sumu bonek luxury lifestyle
sanam sumu sin society wo art fashion secondary basically
tam ke art
priority ata
priority kre tini sak ni kanung sumu no priority ruo belo ruo engke rom di nini nokho samane nangmani tom samongo ru thik no kintu o art fashion ko seng manya kintu seng khoroksa artist bororo o Tripura hai society o khai tongwi sawo ngai income khai nyai big busana pa nang thang bumo pa nang thang tei tonani thanga ke बहुत कठिन दुनिया ओ जगह बहुत डिफिकल्ट तिनी आर्टिस्ट सिंग जुदी डॉक्टर इंजीनियर एडवोकेट खांके तिनी मन करे कबम फील जुदी हाब खांके आं निचय आंगै मानो luxury lifestyle no ang belong khaini mana ang amo baike tongui sai thanani ane ro option already to tamkang to feel lo ang saibe manya ang haba hamjaya interest bokre tini jemon tongo ho samung khaini tukta je tango amo baike nei go khub kothin ke ang Tripura o belong khai tongo tai samung khai sawo ngi tong tong la abo hai tamkang mentality na bahut alada level ma talangha amo hai normal mentality bayo khai manya o samung na khai ba manya tongi ba manya Tripura jaga ba amo hai.
Ma'am, what was the most rewarding moment when your design, your fashion was
on this project?
In this project,
in
it
this
was received-
national costume project. Yes, seeing our design on the stage and realizing that it is not just a costume, but it is the story of our people being
True,
told to the world.
Correct.
That part is really rewarding and it was priceless, and I was so happy and proud of our this one state and our people. That makes me so happy, and it is the most rewarding part for me.
Like it's moreover, it's empowering also.
Yes, yeah,
Kind
it
of
is empowering me also,
Correct.
and the society. People are looking at us now not as an individual,
Correct.
not as an individual, but the carrier of the cultural identity.
Correct.
That is very rewarding
Correct.
for me.
Like it
That
was
part,
like a
yes.
voice for a voiceless people.
Yes, correct.
Very true. Rohit nang bahima tongka. A project ni je feedback so.
Feedback jeta khaikya ane jeta musumani to abo 2000 from there tinismi 10 years 2015 nismi
Mana concept.
mana ai ho concept na
Okay.
tinai ang samuna khanya musumani 15 ro nismi no
Okay.
inke kaisa movie ni theke sang amo inspire ngo omai project khanya phamane
Okay.
Mohen Judaru azaga khaine jeta tu he ni kaisa music tong azaga ni gano khaine
Okay.
actress himi phayo Rani sajoge Rajkumari sajoge
Okay.
inge azaga khaine bo phaimani omai ti himi phaimani je dress not kani sumoi
Okay.
abo ang inspire ka ang khaiga angat ni theke ang kaisa khaine salse national platform khaine omo hai borok performance judi khaikengke nek ang mane
Nang showcase kanya ni was got.
eh
Okay.
amuna gaise phunung na musung mane
Okay.
inke tini 2025 hai zorawo salo tini Miss Universe thanga Khumjar inke o project khaikya ai casting management ane khorja gotom da nei bini theko project khaikya ang samang noma nai ang khai nyai jetu agini je onek musung mana au bahut bosor dore aba ni tini o samno nugi bikobangma publicity rok nugi sudo Tiprasa wansa nugi nyai tini alada rokom feedback rei tongha aje feelings khanamani bai khunju bai khanai jeta feelings manmani inke social media khulukang ke ang sini sam khaimani bikobangma borok share khaija gabama borok response rojak abo nugi nyai o kokna no mutumangka pulai bang lukmono samnotenya
Okay.
getini alada rokom art notenya tini seng bhai bai kene milunya o samkhanya tini Tripura high society o khanya alada rokom image create khaikya fashion model ni theke kaisa national level o khanya sini Tiprasa kokborok kok thanya bo seng ajaga presentation khlakya
Okay.
tini sini kokna bo ajaga highlight khaikya ke samung na visual oma ke sing highlight je mansa khanya ni bage try khaikya o bahut an jorate onek khushi boy bo tine Miss Universe thane bo jitia bo an jorate onek satisfied
Mana contestant I think it's a win-win for our people.
Yes, it is a win-win for our people. We got the chance
Yes,
to showcase our identity in the national platform. That is very,
Correct.
huge.
And we have found that we are no less to anybody.
No less to anybody.
Correct,
Yes.
So, ma'am, my next question is to you. Could you please tell us about your Infini brand? which you are owning.
Yes, Infini is my brand name. It was started from 2018.
Okay.
It is the boutique is there in Bidurkarta Chowmini,
Okay.
Agartala. So there, but the workplace is there in my residence, Kaksan complex. It is. We are dealing with women's clothing only.
Okay.
We don't deal in menswear, only women's wear and girls wear. It is a fashion house where we are dealing with traditional and contemporary wears. And you can customize it. We can design it for them also, and people can come and give them their design, and we can make according to their wishes.
Okay.
So the business is going on, and it is.
And best wishes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And before we conclude, I would like to request both of you to say something about our people, like to convey our people. So you can please proceed with your closing notes. Ma'am, please convey your closing note. You can speak in Mizo also, Marish.
First, I will tell in English. As the designer of the national costume, I just wanted to convey this message to the viewers that unity is our strength. Let us stand together. Let us stand together, modern yet rooted, global yet proudly Tiprasa. I wanted to convey this to my viewers. Chuan miso tongin tlem kasoi ve dua he hun hlutak mai hi pathian zara keite lulina kalau chang ve hi kalom ema at masabira chuanin pathian khongai na le pathian malsom na ani ti ka sha thian kalom ema kan design te kan thil ti te he Miss Universe Tripura National Costume Designer patni keile Rohita heti khopa mi puiten min ngai sanga kan kutsuak te an ngai lo hi rau pui ka ti a phu lo ka ti a min lo thlop tu te le min lo du sak na min hlan tu zong te chunga lom thu ka soi du a he hun hi a ro pui ka ti a ka phu lawin ka sia a clear tu te zong in ne na lom thu ka soi ani. I give my thanks to all the viewers, and I really want to express my gratitude to all the people who likes our works and who values it. We are really thankful for them. Thank you.
Aku Rohit nang thangte nang tam kok kasan amusung kisa kok kasan.
Ang obo no chini Tiprasa young generation te ani se cherai ani sokra rona ngobo sanai jeta seng jeta bkhau musungo o samung no seng muk thangkhanya thake seng kono jati bo wanjai bo muslim hinyawoi seng jotobe ke miluni seng o samung no khanyan bagi seng ma khapurumnai engke seng ke romde seng 10 nokolo phana seng tongi seng ma samung ma khanyai engke bo zat ang bona hamjaya bo wanje bo borak haimya bo saya nei wan sukang ke seng sinino ni je khoting nai seng tine je samung khai tong o hawa sini je joton o jaga ni je lukuro jeta sajago abo samung na tine buni bosang borora West Bengal ni wanje roge 500 bosor segang khai pe bija senge tini se khai tong Sirasudullah Murshidabad ni boro o samung boro Ingres bai boro 500 bosor segang khai pe bija tini Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose hani bagine 500 bosor segang khai pe bija senge tini o hani samung sung tini se khai tong ge boro onek advance ge sung tini jesa feel ni samung sereng na pano borong no advance joto feel no ge sengo advance borong no nasiginyo copy khai ba nung sung follow khai no inspire nginyo sung borong ni tomung samung no nasigi borong ba tongai sawi nai mi lui no sung samung khanya nangnai sung practice khanya ni nangnai ge sung develop nangnai sung bo kaham bo haimi o zat kaham o zat haimi ke sung kono samung siki bo manya sung practice bo khai manya Obonani Tiprasa young generation bororongno ang okogrongno sawa sarerongno bo jetani sei okrarongno bo singtini nang nagi 12 ni result metric ni result rufurorogo ke maximum jorono borong boroma 1% 2% gobangkhano mani boro sinse advancing payo poriman jagobo enke singki kisa 1% ni bagi fono sing komungi thangpayo sini marks sini selai borong festival बहुत बरो enjoy खायो बहुत बरो संग enjoy खायो तो बरो time maintenance खाइने जरा रंग maintenance खाइ परिउ ने बो सिनि से advance मंखा समयने बो भाइके maintenance खाइ जरा न बो भाइके बो जरा enjoy खाइ बो जरा बो struggle खाइ आबोनो बसं काइसुमोने जों नासिगिने जों सिनि जागा खाइने जों inspire ngैने तमं सामग्रनो चेंज खाइमां खांके जों डेभलपमेन्ट नि बर'नि सोलायफोरनो बहुत किसु सिनिरब दं कारण बर'ब मकल बर' मुनसु आंबो बर' मुनसु बर' माना आं माइना अमाय कुनु ककरे बर'नि बो मकल दङ बर'नि बो बुखुक दङ आनि बो मकल दङ आनि बो बुखुक दङ बर'ब सोसाइटि नि बर' हा ओ हा साकेनि बर' आं बो हा साकेनि बर' आं मानो बो माइना अमाय कुनु ककरे जों सुदु sini teknik proses no sini se advance jati rong no nasigi ne sungtamo khaiman disha develop obosani kokke obona young generation borong no sao kokkaisi
Thank you. Gang nong no ba hambai ma ya ban nai. I'm going to convey my sincere thank you also, ma'am. Okay, sang hai nai ma hambai. Kalau me.
Kan lo me.
Hambai nong no pai fle hambai au norok tinio episodes na meni yagulo norok shaimang kana boroni story boroni journey henki abhai keno ang nong no kok kachar finai fainai hati barogobo abhai keno katal kaham sini society ni sin dopane athukiri rong nang tui fainai hangge norok joya khai ani o podcast fe kerengi tongdi gang thangde kok no sanai let's listen learn and grow together hambai